You're a Knicks fan?
Yes. I've had this mug as long as you've known me. You're just not realizing I'm a fan.
I'm just impressed you'll broadcast it. Nice job using your lottery pick this year on Kristaps Porzingis, Darko Milicic.
We're really talking basketball now. I caught you trying to put paper clips in there a couple of weeks ago. You thought it was for knickknacks. And Porzingis is built for the triangle.
Yeah, implementing that motion offense with Carmelo, the biggest ball stopper in the league, on your team. What could go wrong?
Could I help you, fellas?